What's up guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome again to my YouTube channel. My name is Jamaican Boy Africa. Jamaican Boy Africa, yeah, you know, the logo Africa, you know. Yeah, but I'm from East Africa, Kenya. I am not a Jamaican. Yeah, this is a mango tree, and we usually eat a tree from this tree here. Yeah, as you can see, we usually eat the tree. We usually eat mango. As you can see right now, the mango is here, but it's very young. Yeah, very young mango. You can't eat this one. Yeah, this one you can't eat this one. It's a very big tree. A very big tree, as you can see. Very big. So this tree help us by we eat mango, and they also help us with a very good shadow outside here. Yeah, as you can see, it is very big tree, and it help us very many things. Today I'm here at home. Yeah, today I'm just around here at home, just want to do cleanness here and there, the cleanness here and there. Yeah, this is our kitchen house. And as you can see, we are preparing it, and it's not yet. So, but they are just cooked inside. Yeah, they are just cooked inside. Yeah, just as you can see. Yes guys, as you can see, I have not even washed my face. Oh my god, I have to wash my face, and I continue with the cleanness. Yeah, today I want to trim my flower outside here. I want to trim my flower and cut my glass. As you can see, the glass outside here is very big, so I want to cut it down. Yeah, you know, it's a chilly morning. It's still morning here. And today is on Tuesday. Yeah, so all children, all people need to be trimmed. Please follow me and watch the video till the end. This is the cassava. Yeah, this is the cassava here. Yeah, we want to prepare to Brian's home. Yeah, so I'm gonna trim. I want to trim my flower. Yeah, I want to trim my flower. As you can see, a very nice one, very nice flower. Yeah, this is what color? Okay, as you can see, this is purple. Don't know, purple. Yeah, today I'm going to show you all type of flower here at home. I don't know this. You know, the funny is I don't know the names. Yeah, I don't know the names of the flower, but today I'm going to trim it. As you can see, how is it? It's very shaggy. It's very shaggy, but I'm going to trim it, and it will be very smart. Yeah, this one too, as you can see. Yeah, this one too, as you can see, it's very nice one. I'm going to trim it today. I'm going to trim my flower and cutting the grass down, and arrange things here at home. Let me put this one here. This one. Yeah. This one is basins. We use it to wash clothes. This one do used to wash clothes. Yeah. So kindly guys, as you can see, as you can see, a very nice flower is this is my clothes. I'm washing the clothes. Yeah. How do you see it? Very nice. Yeah, of physiotherapy. Want to do some physio to my nephew. Yeah, so I'm just communicating with him while washing my clothes here. This is the black one. All right. This is what so our first two links. You not have to wash first, and then while it's come dry, and I'm going to do some cleanness here now. Trimming my flower. While trimming my flower, my clothes have to be dried, with the sun. That's why I've started with the washing my clothes. Washing my clothes.
Arai kitero.
Yeah. Now I want to cut now my flower, yeah? Yeah, to tighten. You just see. Yeah, I'm trimming my flower here, as you can see. Yes. Yeah. Jamaican boy here. Yeah, you can see this is a king palm. Yeah, it's called a king palm. As you can see, it has grown. Yeah, my king palm here, it has grown. You can see. Guys. Yeah, and it's green. I think is it green? This is not. Is it king palm or palm? I don't know palm what. Yeah, as you can see here. You see this one here, they burn it. They burnt it here. So, you know here when the chef, we call it chef, when it's come to attack you, we usually burn the tire so that when it hear the smoke, it's gonna run away. It's gonna run, all right? Yeah, now as you can see this one here, as you can see this flower here, yeah, it's very huge, very huge. Look how it's very huge. But I'm going to trim it. Yeah, I'm going to trim it till it look nice. Yeah, till it look nice, okay? Yeah. The sound that you hear, there is my nephew have seated there. That's why he's removing the sound. So we start. Let us start now. Trimming the flower. We don't use the graze, no? You know, I use this slasher to trim. I use slasher because I don't have that. I think, how can I call it? Yeah, the machine which used to trim flower. Me, I don't have. I just have only this slasher. Yeah, the slasher is which is doing well to me. Yeah. Yeah, you can see another huge flower here. Very huge flower, but I'm going to trim it till it look nice. Yeah, like that one there. Yeah, I'm going to trim it very nice, in nice way, very nice way. You know, I do love flower, guys. Yeah, so I have to trim it so that it look good. I don't think if this one is being trimmed is but I'm going to try to trim it very nice. So today I have decided to vlog here at home so that I do cleanness. Yeah, they say all obvious cleanness is nearness to God, yeah. And a Jamaican boy, I really love flower. I am here with my mom. My mom, she's busy there. Yeah, washing the utensils. Huh? Yeah, it's not earlier. It's because the day is not. Yeah, the weather is not good somehow. Yeah, somehow hot, somehow not hot, somehow cold. Yeah, yeah, the day is not in the good condition today. So. Yeah, it's rain season. It's rainy season. So, yeah, you have to trim your flower or a flower when it's rain season. Never trim flower during drought season because it can go dried. Yes. Now here you can see the new look of this place. New look of my flower. Yeah, in this side. See the new look now is here. New look. Yeah, very nice. Very nice one. Very nice one. You can see this has yellow and a green. Yeah, like me, the way I like yellow. You can see yellow here. Yeah, so see the new look, guys. Hey, I don't know which species is this one here. You have to trim the flower. Yeah, so that even snake, even snake, they do love a place of huge flower or let's call a bush. Snake do like a bush, so we have to clean. We have to clean it. Yeah. So guys, here I'm continuing with my job. Please, if you are new to this channel, yeah, Jamaican Boy Africa here. My name is Jamaican Boy Africa. If if it's the first time to hear that name or to enter in that channel, please kindly subscribe my channel. Yeah, support me by subscribing, support me by watching. Yeah, so I usually do
a sweet vlog. As you can see here, very nice flower, very nice flower. This color here, I don't know which is the color here. Yeah, as you can see, yeah, I do it like a letter one. Yeah, as you can see, yeah, that one is a dog want to fight. Yeah man. Okay, so she's my mom there. There is my mom. Yeah, she's cleaning the utensils. Yeah, the village life. This is the aloe vera. This aloe vera, guys. If you want aloe vera, you just contact me and you will get many aloe vera is here. Yeah, this aloe vera, but here I plant it like a flower, but it has many use. Yeah, it has many use. Aloe vera, as you can see, very nice flower. Very nice flower called aloe vera. Aloe vera, it's used for, I see many companies use it for doing medicine. Yeah, and others use it to do some oil. Yeah, for applying to the body. Yeah, we call it how? Yeah, this one another here. This one is another flower that I have. Another species, another nice species. Nice species is here. So guys, if you want any flower, any species, I have all of them. Yeah, and here I have to cut this glass here. In this all compound, this is the flower which I love most. Yeah, this one here, you can see it has a yellow, it has a red and a green. Yellow, you can see this is yellow here. Yellow is here. Yellow is here. Yellow and red. You can see red, pure red. Pure red. Pure red. And the green is here. My color. Yeah, so this is the flower I love. I do love most. Yeah, in this compound. This is the flower I love most in this compound. Very nice one. Another one is here. Another species is here. Yeah, you can see how my flower is very nice. You know, yeah, the rain was not there, but now it's rain season. Yeah, you can see another flower is here. Very nice one. A very nice species is here again. Yeah. You can see the look of this flower here is very nice. Yeah, you know, I'm in love with the flower, as you can see. I have many species in my home here. I have many species. You know, I'm in my home, I'm in my compound, I'm in. Yeah, so can see this very nice species is here. Nice species, yeah. All right, another species is here. Yeah, another species is here. You know, I don't know the name of this species, but you can see the species. Very nice species. Very nice species. Very nice species is here. You know, this one you can just take it to the other place like this. Let it to be there. Yes. So I have not trimmed this side. Yeah, but you can see how it look very nice. A very nice one, a very nice compound. Yeah, here with a very good flower, very good species. Okay, I can show you another one is here. Another species is here, guys. Oh my god. Yes, this is another species. Another species is here, very nice one. Very nice one. And another one is here. Wow. Hey, oh, sure. Okay, you can see I do mix them, and you know, when you mix the flour, it looked very nice. Yeah, we call it mixing of flour. Yeah, we call it mixing of flour. Yes, can see how this one it look nice. It's run with the wall. Yeah, it go with the wall. It go with the wall. I can come this side. You can see now. Yeah, very nice. Another species is here, very nice one. You know, I have told you that here in my home I have many type of flower, guys. You can see many type of flowers. So you know, today I told you that I'm at home here assisting my mom to do cleanness. Yeah, you can see now my mom is here when I slash when I trim the flower, and he start correcting the dust, the dirt. Now he go to throw there, and she will also use the rake to correct. You know, we don't have a rake now. She's using her hand. Yeah, as you can see here. Hey, mom, can see you are very busy here. Today I've decided to assist you to do some cleanness here at home. Yeah, you can see she's even used the flour. So yeah, let me continue slashing the big glass there, and he's here doing some, I don't know how can I call it, man. Yes. See, I don't know where will you put it. So he want to find somewhere so that he put and it dry, it will burn. Hapa sasa si tukichoma itachoma hii. So she has decided to put it here, yeah, so that it become dry. Yeah, so that it become dry. You know, here is also a compound. Here is a compound also. Yeah, I'm outside the compound. Outside the compound. Yeah, you can see the glass is very big glass. The glass here is very big, huge. I don't know what is this, but I have get it. What? What is inside here? What is this? Or it can be a gold, guys. Huh? But this one it can't be a gold. But I'm seeing inside. What is inside? .
Guys, have you ever seen something like this? What? I have what is this? Me, I've never seen this one here. Guys, oh my god. Hey my god, Jamaican boy, Jamaican boy. So oh my god. This one is dirty here. So I'm going to burn it. I'm going to burn it. You know the snake loves the bush. So I have to remove this all bush around. Yes. Yeah, I'm Jamaican boy here. Yeah, this we call it majani. We can call it tea. It adds flavor. It adds flavor inside the tea. This one here. It adds flavor. It adds flavor. Yeah, the tea, it can smell well because of that one there. Can see this is the banana. Yeah, I have started here project of banana. This is my project here at home. So I have decided to grow a banana. Yeah, a banana tree. You can see. And see this one here. We have another one here. Yeah, there is another one here. And you know this flower, my mom assisted me to plant it. Yeah, my mom assisted me to plant it. This banana here. This is the banana. Yeah, very nice one. This one here is for cooked. Yeah. This one here is for cooked. for cooked. This one here is for cooked. You know, a banana for cooked. Arra! Arra!
My plate.
I do use this one, slasher.
What they say? Pause. Good day, sir.
Yeah, very nice flower here. Yeah, you can see. Shikisha karibu waone. Wow, 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 wow. Very nice one. Very, very, very nice. Now, I don't know which species is this one here. Yeah, and you can see this one here. Pause, pause.